For question number 5, I'm solving by the quadratic formula, and everything is already on this side with 0 on the other. So I'm just going to identify my A, my B, and my C. And then I want to plug these into the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula I'm going to write just with open parentheses. Okay, so the 1 is going to go here and here. The negative 8 is going to go here and here. And the 16 is going to go here. So I'm going to get x is equal to a positive 8 plus or minus, if we do negative 8 squared, and make sure that that negative 8 is inside the parentheses. And we get 0. So x is equal to 8 plus or minus, well, the square root of 0 is just 0. And then if you add 0, it doesn't change anything. If you subtract 0, it doesn't change anything. So we actually can just cancel out the plus or minus 0. And this is 8 over 2, which is just 4. So we really only have one answer on this one. And that really happens anytime you have square root of 0, is you'll only have one answer.